Hello, it's Emily from the Loopy Stitch, and I'm going to show you how to do a magic ring. So with your hook in your hook hand, we need to grab the tail of our working yarn in our other hand. We're going to create an X. So what I need you to do is hold the tail with your thumb over your two fingers. We're going to create the X by coming down the back of the first two fingers. I'm just going to bring it between those two, just slightly pinching, not too much. And then we're going to create the X over the top here, and then we're just going to bring that yarn back through to pinch on with our thumb. So just creating an X like that. We don't want it too tight, we need to have it loose to be able to work our hook under easily. So now we are going to go under the first top bit of yarn, the first X. We're going to pick up the next side. We're going to twist our hook like so. Then we're going to twist our hand. The hook stays, it doesn't move. And then we're going to go under that top part, the closest to our hook, under the top part of the yarn, excuse me. And then we're going to twist our hand again. We're not moving our hook. And then we can pull that through that loop, creating the magic ring. I'll show you again with our tail in our yarn hand, pinching like so. We're going to create the X, not too tight. We need to work with the yarn. With our hook underneath the first bit of yarn, pick up the next. Don't pull too tight. Give it a nice little twist so you can still move freely. We're not moving my hook, it's going to stay here. I'm going to move my hand, and then I'm going to go underneath the yarn closest to me, twist my hook so it stays when I need to move my hand. So now I'm going to move my hand again, just twisting it, and then I can pull that loop through, creating a chain stitch. Some patterns call this a chain stitch, some do not. So that there is our magic ring. Once you work into it, you can pull it tight. Whereas if you're working a chain ring start, you'll always have a bit of a gap. So I'll just quickly show you. So now with the magic ring, we can go and pull, this is our tail, we can pull that tail, closing that magic ring, and then you can join to your first stitch with a slip stitch. So that is how we do a magic ring. Make sure you like, subscribe and follow and hit that notification bell, because I am creating new content. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has come in handy. It will come in handy. Practice, practice, practice. It will feel foreign at first. It will feel weird. It will feel wrong. But keep practicing, because once you get it, you won't look back. Have a great day. Much love. Bye.